Hey there! Today, we're building a super simple plan to get you ready for the EHF Olympiad. So where do you even begin? It can feel like a huge challenge, but the first step's easy. Think of the official syllabus as your essential map. It literally shows you exactly what to study. This means no surprises. You'll know every single topic for your grade. Pretty cool, right? Just head over to the official EHF syllabus page. Seriously, this is your single source of truth. Okay, you've got your map. Now, what tools do you need to get ready for the journey? You've got some great options to choose from, so let's break down the two main categories. You can either use the official EHF stuff or check out some really popular publisher books. So the big choice here is between official EHF resources and materials from top publishers. All right, let's recap. It's really just a simple two-step plan to get you on the right path. And that's how you turn a big goal into totally manageable first steps. See? Simple. So, your prep journey has officially begun. The only question is, what's first?